Introduction. Engineering is the use of scientific principles to design and build machines, structures, and other items, including bridges, tunnels, roads, vehicles, and buildings. The discipline of engineering encompasses a broad range of more specialized fields of engineering, each with a more specific emphasis on particular areas of applied mathematics, applied science, and types of application. The term engineering is derived from the Latin ingenium, meaning cleverness, and ingeniare, meaning to contrive, devise. Definition. The American Engineers Council for Professional Development, ECPD, the predecessor of ABET, has defined engineering as the creative application of scientific principles to design or develop structures, machines, apparatus, or manufacturing processes, or works utilizing them singly or in combination, or to construct or operate the same with full cognizance of their design, or to forecast their behavior under specific operating conditions, all as respects an intended function, economics of operation, and safety to life and property. History. Engineering has existed since ancient times, when humans devised inventions such as the wedge, lever, wheel, and pulley, etc. The term engineering is derived from the word engineer, which itself dates back to the 14th century, when an engineer, literally one who builds or operates a siege engine, referred to a constructor or military engines. In this context, now, obsolete an engine referred to a military machine, that means a mechanical contraption used in war. For example, a catapult. Notable examples of the obsolete uses which have survived to the present day are military engineering corps. Example, the US Army Corps of Engineers. The word engine itself is of even older origin, ultimately deriving from the Latin ingenium, c. 1250, meaning innate quality, especially mental power, hence a clever invention. Later, as the design of civilian structures such as bridges and buildings matured as a technical discipline, the term civil engineering entered the lexicon as a way to distinguish between those specializing in the construction of such non-military projects and those involved in the discipline of military engineering. The pyramids in ancient Egypt, ziggurats of Mesopotamia, the Acropolis and Parthenon in Greece, the Roman aqueducts, Hagia Sophia and Colosseum, Teotihuacan and the Brihadeeswara temple of Tranajalpa, among many others, stand as a testament to the ingenuity and skill of ancient civil and military engineers. Other monuments no longer standing, such as the Hanging Gardens of Babylon and the Pharaohs of Alexandria, were important engineering achievements of that time and were considered among the 7 wonders of ancient world. The 6 classic simple machines were known in the ancient Near East. The wedge and the inclined plane ramp were known since prehistoric times. The wheel, along with the wheel and axle mechanisms, were invented the Mesopotamia, modern Iraq now, during the 5th millennium BC. The lever mechanism first appeared around 5,000 years ago in the Near East, where it was used in a simple balance scale, and to move large objects in ancient Egyptian technology. The lever was also used in the Shaduf water lifting device. The first crane machine, which appeared in Mesopotamia circa 3000 BC, and then the ancient Egyptian technology circa 2000 BC. The earliest evidence of police date back to Mesopotamia in the early 2nd millennium BC and ancient Egypt during the 12th dynasty, 1991 to 1802 BC. The screw, the last of the simple machines to be invented, first appeared in Mesopotamia during the New Assyrian period, 911 to 609 BC. The Egyptian pyramids were built using 3 of the 6 simple machines, the inclined plane, the wedge, and the lever, to create structures like the Great Pyramid of Giza. The earliest civil engineer known by name is Imhotep. As one of the officials of the pharaoh, Djeser, he probably designed and supervised the construction of the Pyramid of Djeser, the step pyramid, at Saqqara in Egypt around 2630 to 2611 BC. The earliest practical water-powered machines, the water wheel and water mill, first appeared in the Persian Empire in what are now Iraq and Iran by the early 4th century BC. Kush developed the Sakya during the 4th century BC, which relied on animal power instead of human energy. Hafirs are developed as a type of reservoir in Kush to store and contain water as well as boost irrigation. Sappers were employed to build causeways during military campaigns. Kushite ancestors built spears during the Bronze Age between 3700 and 3250 BC. Bloomeries and blast furnaces were also created during the 7th centuries BC in Kush.